Yeah, it's like super steady. It's kind of sick.
Huh. Okay. Yeah, Jay, are you going to back it into that spot? Okay.
At least I don't have the 26s on it anymore because you could not turn. Like, dude, backing up a trailer with the 26s.
Yeah, I know what that is.
Well, you've seen my driveway.
Yeah.
So backing up freaking camper up the driveway and I have like a quarter turn radius, miserable. So I'm putting my door panel back on.
Yeah, I'm just going to cut around it.
All right.
I don't know, he was like all the way off. He already got it off. I was like, just say yes. I felt bad.
Oh, you have the panel?
Yeah, no worries.
I'll tell you one thing though, it took me a second to find reverse of this thing.
Yeah.
I did not know it was there.
Also, it hates first gear. Bro, it doesn't.
I thought he was gonna light up a fucking burnout first gear. I was like, I'm just gonna do a standing burnout right here. And I was like, inching back forward into here. Because it started rolling, I guess, in 6th gear.
Yeah, it'll do that. It's got enough torque.
Yeah, I'm like, all right, getting definitely close to the couch now, and when it's reverse. It's over back. All the way left and down.
Bro, everyone.
Right arm and left leg.
Everyone thinks the G56 is like the coolest thing ever. If I did it again, I'm not buying a fucking G56.
Bro, the clutch is so tight. It's also like.
Oh yeah, you drove it now. Dude, why do you think I sit so close to the steering wheel?
I got it, I'm like, we're the same height, dude. Like, why the fuck is he this close to that? I'm like, alright, I gotta move up.
Fully extended.
Fucking
Your knee's gonna go down.
Yeah, nah, dude, it's a wild time. It's a wild time. Wait, so did you actually drive it or just pull it in and out?
No, I just backed up into the rocks and then came forward.
You should probably like take it for a spin before you hook up. The last time this was like left somewhere for someone to do something with it, I got a call the next morning that it rolled forward into a concrete ledge. And I'm like, are you f***ing kidding me? Bro, my bumper was folded in. I'm like, bro, you had my truck for less than 12 hours. Yeah, it's so much like even just replacing these, it's gonna look so much nicer.
Yeah.
Because they were all like curled up in the front and stuff. There's also so much food in these. Right, you made it sound so hard.
What is that?
You made it sound so hard. Look how easy that is. Alright, I'll wipe down the tracks first just to get that out of the way.
Yeah.
And then I'll do the rear bumper. It's sicker when you have an SD bumper. Yo, Patty Raps and Ryan Details. Yeah, that shit's coming right off. Oh yeah, there's kind of a seam here.
Is there?
Yeah, that or my cat's on crack.
Which for some reason it might be either
It
one.
could be. Yeah, that weld job on the back though, not bad.
Not bad.
For an afternoon of me going, I think I could do that.
I was like, I was like, I'll do it for 3. So he's gonna give me 3 to do it. I was like, alright, deal.
And that's like, dude, like you starting out doing it, like you said, you take those jobs.
Right. And just figure it out.
And for his next one, yeah, man, stuff went up. It's 3,800.
Yeah.
You know, and
Exactly. Oh yeah, that'd be $7,000.
you're like looking at new trucks, and I've always been there like, nah, this one's a good deal. But like, it's not exactly what I want, so I'm not doing it.
Right. Right.
Because I'm done like, okay, now I gotta do this, do this, do this. Fuck, just buy it done right. Buy it the way you want it.
Buy it how you want it. Like, perfect setup for like what you want to do and what I want to do, because I would take just a little 2-door garage and then you would have the 3-bay. Like, it's actually perfect, and they just redid everything. But that's far for you, and I have no clue how much they want. I was gonna think of you. I was thinking about doing that, to be honest.
It would be sick.
Because I just don't know how good it's gonna be with heat. But like, I'm gonna get their Savani's cow hood for the 150, and it's just flat.
Yeah.
So like, I could put like a big Patty Raps logo in there. So when I open my hood at like car shows, and you see it.
Yeah, you have to.
Right?
You have to.
And that's different. But I wouldn't let any, like, I wouldn't do it for anyone. It's like, oh, I want that. It's gonna be $10,000.
Ready? Go the long way. Yeah, I'll teach you. Oh man, he gave me a fresh piece of wood too. What a guy. You can kind of see the camo.
You can see the sparkle better when it's not raining.
Okay. Finally made it home. And now that it's home, I have a new third brake light I gotta put in, and some new paint match fog lights. And a leveling kit for the 5th gen. And the 1st gen is still sitting in pieces. So, gonna work on these two. Got
paint match, third brake light. Got the fogs. And since the truck is back, go ahead and get these things installed. Yeah, she's on there. You could see, I don't know if you could see, but ton of sealer behind there. This thing may as well be welded on. There it goes. God, there's so much on here. While she cleans that up, go ahead and get the fog lights in. Get these junk ones out that are filled with water. One fog light unbolted. One to go. And I just got to get to the wiring, which I believe I can do from up here. And the fog lights just have 2 bolts on this side and 1 on the other. Nut and bolts that need to come off. And then unplug. And should be able to mount the new ones up pretty easy. Just gotta check. I might have to put a new plug on the new ones. Alright, all the bolts are out. Get this one unplugged. Now I'll trace this plug back and get those completely out of there. For my final step of removal here. Professional.
What?
While she does that, I gotta do a little bit of wiring. So I already have, my stuff wouldn't get stuck everywhere. Already have a plug on here with the harness that did go to the 2 lights. So I'm gonna cut it off of this end and get it all wired up to the new lights. Got left hand and right hand. And with the harness I had, I know this is already the right length, so I'll get it cut off of there and rewired up to the new ones.
Truth gon' surface every time, even when no dancing with my shadow in a room full of gold, trying to count on my regrets like the stories I told. Mama said, boy, don't sell your soul for applause, but the silence louder now than a million God. I seen kings fall quick for a hit on a reel, seen queens trade crowns for a 6-figure deal. I don't blame them, I just pray.
I did forget that I did not have the stock fog light mounts. So I got some new ones in. I'll get these mounted up and throw them in the truck. both lights installed, wired up, see if they work. And now with this all finished up, it's time for project 2 of the day. Get this floor pan welded in. Floor pan, not floor plan. Get that welded in and start cleaning up the rest of the inside of this cab.